How to build your mind to speak English fluently and confidently. By Learn with Benanda. About this book. Welcome to Learn with Benanda. This book is designed to help English learners develop the right mindset to speak English fluently and confidently. Speaking English is not about being perfect, it is about practicing every day with confidence. Inside this book, you will find powerful daily affirmations, motivational sentences, confidence-building exercises, and simple speaking habits that will help you become a better English speaker. Read these sentences every day, speak them aloud, and believe in yourself. With regular practice, your confidence will grow, your fear will disappear, and your English will improve step by step. Remember, practice every day, believe in yourself, never give up. Your English journey starts today. Learn with Benanda. How to build your mind to speak fluently and confidently. Part 5. 81. I believe in my English journey. 82. I speak English with confidence every day. 83. My confidence grows with every word. 84. I enjoy learning new vocabulary. 85. I practice speaking without fear. 86. I stay positive in every conversation. 87. I learn from my mistakes. 88. Every challenge makes me stronger. 89. I express my thoughts clearly. 90. I listen carefully before I speak. 91. I am becoming more fluent every day. 92. I am proud of my progress. 93. I speak with a calm and happy mind. 94. I never stop improving. 95. I enjoy talking in English. 96. I am confident in every situation. 97. My voice is clear and strong. 98. I inspire myself to keep practicing. 99. I can achieve my English goals. 100. I am a fluent and confident English speaker. How to build your mind to speak fluently and confidently. Part 6. 101. I speak English with confidence and joy. 102. Every day my English becomes stronger. 103. I believe in my ability to communicate. 104. I enjoy every opportunity to speak. 105. I learn something valuable every day. 106. I am confident in every conversation. 107. I speak clearly and naturally. 108. I stay calm when I speak English. 109. My confidence grows step by step. 110. I practice speaking with a positive attitude. 111. I am not afraid of new challenges. 112. I enjoy expressing my ideas in English. 113. Every sentence I speak makes me better. 114. I trust my learning process. 115. I improve with every conversation. 116. I am patient and consistent. 117. I speak with a smile and confidence. 118. I am creating a bright future through English. 119. I believe that practice leads to success. 120. I am becoming a fluent, confident, and successful English speaker. How to build your mind to speak fluently and confidently. Part 7. 121. I welcome every chance to speak English. 122. I become more confident every day. 123. My mind is calm and focused. 124. I enjoy learning from every conversation. 125. I speak with confidence and clarity. 126. I believe in my potential. 127. Every word I speak improves my fluency. 128. I replace fear with courage. 129. I keep moving forward every day.
130. I speak English with a happy heart. 131. I trust my voice. 132. I listen carefully and answer confidently. 133. I practice with patience and discipline. 134. I enjoy the journey of learning English. 135. My confidence inspires others. 136. I am brave enough to speak. 137. I improve a little every single day. 138. I stay motivated to reach my goals. 139. I speak naturally and confidently. 140. I am creating a better future with English. How to build your mind to speak fluently and confidently. Part 8. 141. I speak English with confidence every morning. 142. I enjoy improving my communication skills. 143. My confidence grows with every practice session. 144. I believe in my dreams. 145. I speak with a relaxed mind. 146. I choose confidence over fear. 147. Every conversation is a new opportunity. 148. I stay focused on my goals. 149. I learn from every mistake. 150. I am proud of my progress. 151. I speak clearly and confidently. 152. I enjoy listening and learning. 153. I practice English with dedication. 154. I trust myself in every conversation. 155. My English becomes better every day. 156. I am becoming a confident communicator. 157. I stay positive and motivated. 158. I speak with courage and enthusiasm. 159. I believe that I can achieve fluency. 160. I am building a confident and successful future through English. How to build your mind to speak fluently and confidently. Part 9. 161. I speak English with confidence every day. 162. I enjoy learning from every conversation. 163. My confidence grows stronger each day. 164. I believe in my abilities. 165. I speak with a calm and clear voice. 166. I am excited to improve my English. 167. Every practice session makes me better. 168. I stay positive in every situation. 169. I am not afraid to ask questions. 170. I learn something new every day. 171. I express my ideas with confidence. 172. I speak naturally and comfortably. 173. I keep practicing until I succeed. 174. I trust my learning journey. 175. I enjoy speaking with new people. 176. My fluency improves every single day. 177. I celebrate every small achievement. 178. I inspire myself to keep moving forward. 179. I believe that I can achieving 180. I am a confident, fluent, and successful English speaker.
How to build your mind to speak fluently and confidently. Part 10. 181. I believe in myself every single day. 182. I speak English with confidence and courage. 183. Every word I speak makes me stronger. 184. I enjoy communicating in English. 185. I am not afraid of making mistakes. 186. Mistakes help me become a better speaker. 187. I practice English with joy and passion. 188. My confidence grows with every conversation. 189. I speak clearly, calmly, and naturally. 190. I trust my learning journey. 191. I stay positive in every situation. 192. I learn something new every day. 193. I inspire myself to keep moving forward. 194. I believe that consistency brings success. 195. I speak English with a smile. 196. I am proud of my progress. 197. My future is bright because I never stop learning. 198. I am becoming the best version of myself. 199. I can speak English fluently and confidently. 200. Today is another step toward my success. I believe in myself, and I will never give up.